Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to make a sliding navigation bar in Figma. We will create a dynamic and interactive navigation experience for your designs. First, open Figma and set up a new frame, perhaps 1440 pixels wide by 1024 pixels high, to house your navigation. Then, design each navigation item, like a home icon or a profile button, as its own reusable component. This foundational step is crucial for efficient design and prototyping. Next, let's design the different states for your navigation items. For each component, create two variants, one for its default appearance and another for its active state. The active state might feature a brighter color, a bold font, or a subtle underline to indicate selection. Using variants streamlines your design process, allowing you to easily switch between states. Ensure consistent sizing, perhaps a height of 48 pixels, and spacing for a polished look across all items. Now, let's bring our navigation to life with prototyping. Select the default state of a navigation item and add an interaction. Set the trigger to on-click and choose Change to for the action, linking it to its active state variant. Crucially, select Smart Animate for the animation type. This will create that desirable sliding effect. Experiment with the animation duration, perhaps setting it to 300 milliseconds, and easing options like Ease Out to achieve a natural and responsive feel for your navigation. Finally, it's time to assemble and test your sliding navigation bar. Drag instances of your navigation item components into an auto layout frame. Set the auto layout to a horizontal direction with a spacing of, say, 24 pixels between items. Position this complete navigation bar within your main design frame, typically at the bottom or top. Now, switch to prototype mode and click through your navigation items. Observe the smooth, smart animated transitions, ensuring everything functions exactly as intended for a seamless user experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.